Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are showing solved assignment of BBCCT-111. This assignment is valid from 1st January 24 to 31st December 24. Here are the questions asked in assignment. Question number 1, first part, describe fluid mosaic model of biological membranes. Second part of this question is what are the methods used in study membrane proteins? Question number 2, first part, explain CMC and critical packing parameter. Second part of this question is explain membrane asymmetry. Question number 3, first part, how will you explain membrane dynamics with the help of suitable evidences? Second part of this question is explain FRAP. Question number 4, A part, differentiate between simple and facilitated diffusion. Second part of this question is explain the functioning of sodium potassium pump. Question number 5, first part, write a note on voltage gated ion channels. Second part of this question is enlist various steps of receptor mediated endocytosis. Second part of this assignment is first question, explain the law of thermodynamics and their significance. Question number 2, first part, explain the hydrolysis of ATP. Second part of this question is mention the processes that produce ATP. Question number 3. Write a detailed note on inhibitors and uncouplers of ETC. Question number 4. Draw a labeled structure of chloroplast and describe various photosynthetic pigments. Question number 5. Explain Z scheme of electron flow and Q cycle.